Alright, let's unbox this thing. It's a new lens adapter. Packaging is nice, I have to say. Comes in this nice little plastic box, nice and safe. So you can keep it around with this box in your bag or whatever. Let's look inside. You have the lens adapter and you have a little screwdriver. I talk about why you have that in a minute. Now it comes with this little lens holder thingy, adapter, whatever it is. Usually I don't use it, so you can remove it. That is nice, and you can keep it safe in this box. This is good. If you need it, you don't lose it. There you go. This is the lens adapter itself. Looks good. What is new though is you have a USB port. Let's get closer. There you go, this is the USB port. Let's focus, little A7R3. You can update now the firmware with this new lens profiles and whatever they say. So this is nice, a nice new addition, just like Metabones. And you have a switch, this is nice, this is a first. You can switch between contrast-based AF, so for older lenses maybe, and in video mode, and with cameras that like the A7S and stuff like that, that only have contrast-based autofocus, you most likely use this mode. And you have a face detection autofocus optimization mode, so to speak, like with this one, A7R3 or the A6500. You most likely get the best results, even in video maybe, with this mode. I will test this out, of course. Now, it is a focal reducer lens, so it has an optical element in there, and they say it's better than in the version before. But I have to say, in the version before, I did not have any big issues. It has a little bit of vignetting, but so does the Metabones, I think. And maybe this is a little bit more sharper, has maybe less other optical issues, but I use the older version, the first generation as well, and I'm quite happy in video mode, especially with this old sucker here, my favorite lens for video on the FS7 and even on this FS or A7R3 and A7S. This is a nice lens. But with this, you get full frame field of view on an APS-C or Super35 sensor. And this f4 lens is getting like an f2.8, which is nice in low lights and a little bit more bokeh. So yeah, happy to have this adapter now. I will test it on the A7R3. Now, why do I get a screwdriver with it? Well, you can fix, if you have any issues, with this little, let's see, you can screw that and change the distance from the optical element to your sensor. If you have any infinity focus issues, but I did not have those issues with this older version, but if necessary, you can fix it with this little screwdriver that comes with the box, which is nice. All right, anyways, for the price, it's the best thing you can get in that area. The Metabones is, I think, mostly overpriced and optically not that better. And with the USB port and the switch, this might be even better in terms of electronic values. I will test it out with older and newer Canon lenses. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. I will take it on the road for a few projects and keep you updated how it works out in real world work use. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. See ya!